Welcome back to Learn German, A2 edition. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Charlie. Episode 16. Let's go!
12 brand new A2 words today. Mobile phone, main railway station, capital city, and more.
12 words. I'm ready.
Word 1.
Handy. Handy.
Is that mobile phone? I've seen handy, mobile telephone, smartphone before. How are they different?
Mobile phone. Das Handy. Neuter. Plural, handies. Also, cell phone.
Mein Handy hat keinen Akku mehr.
My mobile phone has no battery left. Looking for your mobile phone.
Hat sein Handy im Bus vergessen.
He left his mobile phone on the bus. Key distinction. Handy equals mobile phone, German false friend, not the English adjective handy equals practical. Mobile telephone equals formal term. Smartphone equals common modern equivalent.
Das Handy. Mobile phone. Plural, handies. Different from handy. Mobiltelefon, smartphone.
Handy is a German word borrowed from English, but used with a completely different meaning. Word 2.
Hauptbahnhof. Hauptbahnhof.
Is that main railway station? I've seen Hauptbahnhof, epens Zentralbahnhof, epens Vorortbahnhof before. How are they different?
Main railway station. Der Hauptbahnhof. Masculine. Plural, Hauptbahnhöfe. Also, central station.
Der Hauptbahnhof ist 5 Minuten von hier.
The main station is 5 minutes from here. A train departing from the main station at a specific time.
Wir haben uns am Hauptbahnhof getroffen.
We met at the main station. Key distinction. Hauptbahnhof equals main central railway station, abbreviated HBF. Vorortbahnhof equals suburban station, smaller and peripheral.
Der Hauptbahnhof, main railway station. Plural, Hauptbahnhöfe. Different from Hauptbahnhof. Ipraxli Zentralbahnhof, Ibreit Vorortbahnhof.
Hauptbahnhof compounds Haupt, main, chief, plus Bahnhof, railway station. Word 3.
Hauptstadt. Hauptstadt.
Is that capital city? I've seen Hauptstadt, Epronxis Metropol, groß, Epronxis Provinzstadt before. How are they different?
Capital city. Die Hauptstadt. Feminine. Plural, Hauptstädte.
Wien ist die Hauptstadt von Österreich.
Vienna is the capital of Austria. Stating which city is the capital of a country.
Bern ist die Hauptstadt der Schweiz geworden.
Bern became the capital of Switzerland. Key distinction. Hauptstadt equals capital city, administrative/political center. Metropole equals major city by size. Provinzstadt equals provincial city, less central.
Die Hauptstadt, capital city. Plural, Hauptstädte. Different from Hauptstadt, Metropole, groß, Provinzstadt.
Hauptstadt equals Haupt, main, chief, plus Stadt, city. Word 4.
Haus. Haus.
Is that house? I've seen Haus, Gebäude, Wohnung, Zelt before. How are they different?
Haus. Das Haus, neuter. Plural, Häuser. Also, building.
Wir wohnen in einem alten Haus am Stadtrand.
We live in an old house on the outskirts of town. Saying you are at home. Fixed phrase. Zu Hause.
Sie haben letztes Jahr ein Haus gekauft.
They bought a house last year. Key distinction. House equals house/building, a structure. Wohnung equals flat/apartment, a unit within a building. Gebäude equals building, more formal/architectural.
Das Haus, house. Plural, Häuser. Different from Haus, Gebäude, Wohnung, Zelt.
Key fixed expressions. Zu Hause, at home. Nach Hause, towards home, direction. Von zu Hause, from home. Word 5.
Haushalt. Haushalt.
Is that household? I've seen Haushalt, Heimwirtschaft, Staatshaushalt, Finanzen before. How are they different?
Household. Der Haushalt, masculine. Plural, Haushalte. Also, housework.
Der Haushalt macht mir viel Arbeit.
The housework gives me a lot of work. Asking who does the housework at home.
Sie hat den ganzen Haushalt alleine gemacht.
She did all the housework by herself. Key distinction. Haushalt equals household as a living unit, or housework. In plural, Haushalte equals households. Staatshaushalt equals national budget. Extended meaning.
Der Haushalt, household. Plural, Haushalte. Different from Haushalt. Heimwirtschaft. Staatshaushalt, Finanzen.
Haushalt has two overlapping meanings. One, the household as a unit of people living together, ein Haushalt mit 3 Personen, and two, the tasks of running a home, housework, den Haushalt machen, führen. Word 6.
Heft. Heft.
Is that exercise book? I've seen Heft, Notizbuch, Heftchen, Lehrbuch before. How are they different?
Exercise book. Das Heft. Neuter. Plural. Hefte. Also, notebook.
Vergiss dein Heft nicht für den Deutschunterricht.
Don't forget your exercise book for German class. Telling a student to write something into their exercise book.
Sie hat alle wichtigen Wörter in ihr Heft geschrieben.
She wrote all the important words into her exercise book. Key distinction. Heft equals exercise book/notebook, typically stapled. Notizbuch equals notebook, bound. Lehrbuch equals textbook, printed and authoritative.
Das Heft, exercise book. Plural, Hefte. Different from Heft. Notizbuch, Heftchen, klein. Lehrbuch.
Heft primarily means exercise book, school context, but also refers to an issue, edition of a magazine or comic. Das aktuelle Heft, the current issue. Word 7.
Heimat. Heimat.
Is that home? I've seen Heimat, Zuhause, Ort, Herkunft, Ursprung, Fremde before. How are they different?
Home. Die Heimat. Also, homeland.
Die Heimat ist der Ort, wo man aufgewachsen ist.
The homeland is the place where one grew up, identifying one's home region with emotional connection.
Sie hat ihre Heimat mit 20 Jahren verlassen.
She left her homeland at the age of 20. Key distinction. Heimat equals homeland, home region, deeply emotional concept. Zuhause equals home place. Fremde equals foreign land, being away from home. Opposite.
Die Heimat, home. Different from Heimat. Zuhause, Ort. Herkunft, Ursprung. Fremde.
Heimat is a uniquely loaded German concept with no direct English equivalent. It blends the ideas of home, homeland, belonging, and identity. Word 8.
Heiraten.
To marry or to get married?
To marry. Heiraten is transitive. Heiratet sie. He is marrying her. Accusative object, no preposition.
Möchte sie eines Tages heiraten.
He would like to marry her one day, announcing an upcoming wedding.
Sie haben letzten Sommer geheiratet.
They got married last summer.
Got it. Heiraten. To marry or to get married.
Compare with English, marry someone. Word 9.
Heiß.
Hot? Close to heiß, approximate warm, milder. Kalt?
Hot. Heiß ends in zit, which does not change before the comparative ending. Heiße, am heißesten.
Pass auf, die Tasse ist heiß.
Be careful, the cup is hot. Warning that a liquid is too hot to drink or touch.
Es ist diesen Sommer besonders heiß geworden.
It has become particularly hot this summer.
Got it. Heiß. Hot. Different shade from heiß, approach warm, milder. Research kalt.
Do not confuse with heißen, to be called, a completely different verb. Word 10.
Heißen.
To be called or to be named?
To be called. Heißen is an irregular, strong verb. Heißt, hieß, hat geheißen.
Ich heiße Lukas. Und du?
My name is Lucas. And yours? Asking someone's name, standard introductory question.
Die Stadt hat früher anders geheißen.
The city used to have a different name.
Got it. Heißen, to be called or to be named.
It is one of the first verbs learned because wie heißt du? Word 11.
Heizung. Heizung.
Is that heating? I've seen Heizung, Heizkörper, Gerät, Ofen, alt, Klimaanlage before. How are they different?
Heating. Die Heizung, feminine, plural, Heizungen, also radiator.
Im Winter läuft die Heizung die ganze Zeit.
In winter, the heating runs all the time, reporting that the heating is broken or not working.
Die Heizung ist im November ausgefallen.
The heating broke down in November. Key distinction. Heizung equals heating system or radiator. Heizkörper equals individual radiator unit. Ofen equals stove, old heater. Klimaanlage equals air conditioning, functional opposite.
Die Heizung, heating. Plural, Heizungen. Different from Heizung, Heizkörper, Gerät, Ofen, alt, Klimaanlage.
Heizung refers both to the entire heating system, Zentralheizung, central heating, and to individual radiators in everyday speech. Word 12.
Helfen.
To help, close to helfen, unterstützen, beistehen, behindern.
To help. Helfen is a strong, irregular verb. Hilft, helf, geholfen, and crucially takes a dative object. Ich helfe dir, not dich.
Kannst du mir bitte mit dem Koffer helfen?
Can you please help me with the suitcase? Offering to help someone with something.
Sie hat ihm geholfen, die Prüfung zu bestehen.
She helped him to pass the exam.
Got it. Helfen, to help. Different shade from helfen, unterstützen, beistehen, behindern.
This is one of the key dative verbs at A2 level, alongside danken, gefallen, gehören, and glauben. And that is all 12 words for episode 16.
Handy. Hauptbahnhof. Hauptstadt. Haus. Haushalt. Heft. Heimat. Heiraten. Heiß. Heißen. Heizung. Helfen.
8 nouns and 3 verbs. Quite a spread. I love this series.
2 things to take away above all else from today. First,
Handy.
handy is a German word borrowed from English, but used with a completely different meaning. And second,
Hauptstadt.
the plural of Hauptstadt, Hauptstädte.
Locked in. See you in episode 17.
See you next time und auf Wiederhören.
Auf Wiederhören.